Hey there, creators. Welcome back to episode 6 of our Adobe Premiere Pro full course. Today, we're diving into something that makes your videos look polished and professional: text and titles. Whether you're adding simple subtitles, name tags, or animated motion titles, I'll show you exactly how to do it fast and clean. Let's jump right in. First, let's create basic text. Head to the toolbar on the left and click on the Type tool T. Click anywhere in the program monitor and start typing. Boom! You've created your first text layer. Premiere Pro automatically creates a graphics layer in your timeline. Now go to the Essential Graphics panel if you don't see it. Open it from Window Essential Graphics. Here you can change the font, adjust size, color and alignment, add backgrounds, shadows, and more. Tip: use bold fonts and high contrast colors for legibility, especially for mobile viewers. Once your text is styled, you can move and adjust it in the Essential Graphics panel or by using the Selection tool in the program monitor. Drag your text around to place it where you want. Need it centered? Click the Align and Transform options. Center horizontally, center vertically. Tip: for lower thirds like name tags, keep text near the bottom corners of the screen. Want to reuse your style? Click Create Style in Essential Graphics and save it as a template for later. Time to animate your text, give it life. Select your text layer in the timeline. Go to Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, you'll see Position, Scale, Opacity, etc. Click the stopwatch icon to add keyframes. Let's animate position. Set a starting point of screen, for example, left. Move the timeline 1 second forward and set the final position on screen. Play back your text slides into view. You can do this with Scale zoom in or out text, Opacity fading or out. Combine all three for smooth cinematic animations. Tip: add ease in, ease out. Right-click on keyframe for smoother movement. Want to save time with stunning animations? Use motion graphics templates, also called Morgat files. In the Essential Graphics panel, go to the Browse tab. Premiere comes with built-in title templates, lower thirds, and cards, captions. Drag one onto your timeline and customize the text and color in the Edit tab. You can also import Morgat templates from Adobe Stock or other marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato. Pro tip: use branded templates to keep a consistent look across your content. Looping or repeating text. Want text that loops or pulses? Try this. Animate scale from 100% to 110% and backset keyframes and copy-paste them to loop. Add a glow effect or shadow flicker using opacity keyframes. It's subtle, but adds motion that keeps viewers engaged. And that's how you add, style, and animate text in Premiere Pro. We covered creating and styling titles, animating with keyframes, using powerful templates, and bonus tips to make your text pop. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our next episode, where we'll cover video effects and filters to take your visuals to the next level.